Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question, very tricky one. If you think 18 divided by 3, 3 plus 3 into 6 and 18 divided by 18 which equals to 1, then you are wrong. We will solve with the PEMDAS. Okay, so we will write again our question 8 divided by 3 plus 3. According to PEMDAS, first we will do the parenthesis part. 18 divided by 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Sorry, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So according to PEMDAS, first both division and multiplication have the same priority, so we will solve from left to right. Then here first we divide 18 with 3. So 18 by 3, which will get 6 into that will be 6. So 6 times 6, that is 36. So here 36 will be the right answer. If you want to more math like this, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.